some of your insights on teaching money and banking and some other things that are going on in the economy. What have been kind of your thoughts on what's happened since the pandemic on like some of the current events? Whether you look at what the Federal Reserve and its balance sheets, what some of these banks, especially the smaller community banks, are getting hit pretty hard compared to the larger banks, and some of the discussion that's going on about transitory inflation versus persistent inflation, and that discussion that's been happening. I mean, I think it's on the top of people's minds. What have you been thinking about this as you've been researching it and teaching it?
Right. So, there's all great points. So, one thing that I've kind of been using when you mentioned transitory and inflation was the sort of Paul Krugman, graph that's like, eventually, we're going to show that it's transitory and that it's really transitory. But luckily for me, I've been able to show this every semester for 2 years at this point.